Hello all.
Smus. What? Hello and welcome back to CarX, Part3. It's Candy's West Coast Arena reaction on the Part 7, by the last one for today. This is Part 343. Have fun. Cheers up, Konbanha, Mr. Robin Silly, so du skal prestigen til meg, så need a t-shirt get in. Hast du was zum Abwischen, Junge? Some cig, ja. How about that? Sorry.
After. No on. URL.
Oh, we're done. We're just done. Are you kidding me? There's no West Coast and stuff like this stuff anymore. Are you creaking? Oh. We did all 26 cars yesterday. I mean, for 5 hours ago. Nah. Yeah, we did. Oh, crack. Are you fucking in? Oh, come on. I thought actually we have 18 cars left on this crack. Oh, the title is miss. Oh, man. Now I'm disappointed in myself. Modern hell. Okay. You're going backwards. Be creative. Fucking hell. Yeah, I just was so drunk I didn't can remember this stuff. That was 4 or 5 hours ago. Alright, we're going actually somewhere else, and it calls the same, but just only backwards or something. Let's crack them. Oh no, this is not fair. Oh, come on, this is bullshit. Now I'm a liar and just, you know, the stuff, this crack, you know. Oh, you know what the hell? Don't talk about it. Man, nobody came on the idea actually to cause West Coast arenas just this crack. Oh, I fucked up myself. I'm so sorry. The live stream just started up. We can't stop. We can rename it. Oh, fucking hell. Seriously, I thought actually there's 16 or 18 cars to deal done with. I'm so sorry for that. Ah.
Hi, nice to see you, so I just thought I'd pop by and say hi. LOLX, hope you're well. XX, hand pink waving.
Yeah, well. Right, here we go.
6 times drunk and after 5 hours on a live stream again. Yes, PFF, I think I'm fine. How are you? Guess, fine to smile.
It's kind of crippling answer. I was just saying after 3 days to do the dealing done actually with these West Coast arena. And this is actually the part 7, but I failed. I failed. Oh, it doesn't matter for that, you know. I need to rename that something after the live stream. 3 days, drinking hard, dealing done with 116 cars on the other account, DjVolgin, and here right now on Dap Nation TV account, with these 26 cars. After 142 cars actually doing West Coast Arena, I'm actually finished. Yeah.
Oh, okay, LOLXX, yeah, I'm fine. Emoji cool smile.
I think there are more than 70 beers just that I was drinking the last 3 days. Worked 1 day, 2 days. Oh yeah, we worked 2 days. Nice. Sorry, now I'm going loud. No, I'm good. I'm fine. It's just like I was thinking there are 16 cars to drive actually on the West Coast Arena today on the live stream, but I failed. The Austin bottom was already the last one, so we go backwards. And other actually categories in here, so I need a happy beer or something, you know, before starting up in here. To wake up myself. Hey, I'm out of caps. What the hell is that? Are you kidding or something? This little princess. Go back and knock her to bed over there. Help this crack. Bye bye. Ah. 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 Gambremaster. Why is that car so noisy? What the hell? Weird. Huh. Look at that. Oh, that's better. Okay, that I feel better. I need to change actually the title here. This is not fair. It makes me sick. I'm not a liar here. What then? Guess what? Oh, it's actually the afternoon. There we go. I'm so sorry for that one. Dupe. Yeah, of course. I hate these questions. And how are you? And then actually comes something back with like, I feel fine. Oh, that's okay. Goodbye. Something. There's just something else you can ask. Like, how are you feeling? I'm fine. There's something else to deal down with. Yeah, well, yesterday I was in New Zealand, I came to Canada and stuff like that. Just was horseback riding naked, you know, and stuff, and I don't know, and yeah, I'm fine. No, it's just a simple question. It's like, you still alive? I'm not sure anymore, but think I'm repeating here right now, right? This is, I know, life is so boring.
I'm sorry, I just went to grab a drink.
Oh,
I
still there.
apologize, XX.
I thought you gone. I'm so sorry. I mean, sorry. There's some. Okay.
Face fuchsia wide eyes, still there. Dot dot ups, comma WW.
Oh no, Sierra Tiguila. Must be something gay stuff or something, because there's a heart or something on it. Let's see how the people's actually acting like. Holy crack.
Nope, I've been here the whole time, but I'll leave you to it. Have fun, XX. Just joking.
Did I say poking? Go about that. Zet de hand druk maar net de vlieg dan met alles want het niks van crack. Well, but actually, they're reading here as well. Oh, it's sorry, I've got this in hell. Reached the 12K! But the show is not over yet. you know, there's something coming up. What kind of an insurance? I don't have, not even a license for it. Correct. Good boy. So I changed the title. I don't want to lie here. I just was drunk before. Alright, stop talking then. Let's creak. So somebody just visit you and his name's Conan O'Brien or something's crack, you know? You have to be careful about that. Creep. Especially he was by, I don't know what that weird customation actually is, you know, the company. And he's standing in front of your window making creak faces, you know. Yeah, you real. Next vehicle, better say actually. I'm sorry, that is actually just speaking what I was done actually the last 6 parts. Whatever you want, randomize whatever you want. Because online mode is just, you know, you're making your 1,300 points by 20 racings and this is... going in, going out, it takes more time actually like to be done with this one. Lalilulilo. The whole time, huh? Watch out, boy. It's just a laughing actually for scariness. Yeah, sure. God the hell, damn it. What is that? Oh, I refilled the fire toy. Alright, cool. Deal done with something like called drunkenness part. And something you had deal done. You don't know anymore. Yeah. You got a package. Oh, crack. Yeah, that's actually a perfume. That's cool. Later on. Not gonna stolen anyway. Just auch kein Panda-Strawberry so du skal prestisjen schwimmen. Oh, don't. Yeah, that's a chump, eh? 4,000, 9,000, and then 17,000. What the hell's that? At the beginning for 3 years ago, I can remember that was very hard to deal done because the time was running out very fast. What we got in here? An 8K plus. For the 5K, 8K, well, for the most people it's even hard enough to get a 4,000. No. That's a cigarette from 5 hours ago. Oh, we still got beer as well. Lickin'. Oh, crack. Oh, my God. What a bell's ringing. Somebody Glock 46 right now. That's weird. Somebody died. But it's 18 o'clock. It's normal then when it's ringing for the farmers, but what the hell? It's Saturday, right? Saturday. Gambatte. Left or right? Oh hell no! The car didn't move. What the heck? You know. Alright. Now the car's moving. I think the controller's broken too much. Did that actually Wednesday a little while for that island too? Saying creep actually in my DjVolgin account. You don't see actual games anymore when I'm playing. I'm more over than 235 games. Now I have 266 games. What the hell is that? I platinized that island too, and it's watchable on the trophy list. Even I just was getting a comment on that. But it's not actually venting into the trophy list. On my game list in DjVolgin. So what the hell? What is wrong since I'm here? I platinized more than actually 16 games. Is it at 180 all the time? Is it foggy out there? I don't can see. Sun still went into the plasma TV. No, she's definitely gone. I think I'm too loud. This is cracked. No good. What the fuck is that? Dude, what's with the bird? You know the wagon? Huh. Oh, long sleeve. Kinda shy hard there. Wow, kom det fischrolle. Tasty. Trying to build up some core, yeah, well. Double up the action, you son of a freak. You got money, you know that. Build up yourself, little car. I'll make it working. Help? Yeah, myself. Alright, let's just see. 88, eh? Oh, 87! Yay! Versus the... Good deal though, this crack. That is a long gear. I don't see. Alright, let's just guess. Seriously. 91, right? Now let's do on 99. Ah, seriously, I don't see. Hey, dude, mate! Wake a bit. Thank you. What was that? 96, 7, 8, 9. Here we go, thank you very much. Crack. Riding the maximum. What happened here? There we go. 46, 46. I don't think so. What about 6,666? The hell, the shit. No, smile for the dab cam. Alright. Little fingering around here. Ding dong. But he's 85%, I'm not sure, so I'm taking 87 pros. Oh, crack. Volle Junge. Sweet. Thank you. I don't know. I have to prove that one for the aerodynamic kit. I'm not sure of that one. Ta-da! That's just stay in here, right? For a while. That is so wrong. I know that. Money. Okay. Wow. Everybody's just gone. That's weird. What did I do wrong? My English is something that's crap. Nah. That's weird. I check the microphone and stuff like this shit. No, nobody's watching. Wonderful. I'm a virus or something that's correct. Hey, what the hell? I'm so sorry for that. That's crazy, man. Maybe there's a sign actually poison. I'm an asshole or something. I'm not sure. Never happened before. Trying to be funny. What the hell is going on? Other people don't know about Bavarian Southwest Crack. Okay, da braucht geschissen reden und auf Deutsch. Sehr langweilig, oder? Können wir genauso aufgeben hier. Das ist ein Schiss, Alter. Sowas langweilt schon extrem, Alter. Wenn du dann versuchst, deine Leute mal anzuziehen, Alter, dann fragst du ihn auch. Willst du lustig sein? Gehen sie einfach. Krass. Du hast dann auch keinen Bock mehr, Alter. Schmeckt dir das ganze Spiel nicht mehr. Super controlling. Oh, come on, you son of a... That makes the whole stream boring, right? Definitely. Nobody's watching. It's just... Yourself, only yourself. No. We saved it already, right? Boy. Forget about it. Ooh, that's too much. Oh, they changed that stuff, right? Crack. You guess. Good question. What about white? I can't edit anymore. What is wrong? That totally was changing the whole system. Let us go for it. Okay. I just want to change here. All right, let's see. too much, right? Ist gewöhnungsbedürftig. Ja, definitiv. What happened? I can't do this. That was a crack. Oh, here we go. See nothing. Are you kidding me? That was weird. Why is it now green? Oh. Huh? Are you kidding me? Bullshit. You're coloring. Likely. That's not be difficult, definitely. Test it out. Good decision, sir. An after match. Come on, let's drink beer. I have. What the fuck? That was just a half beer. People's left me. Now I'm 40 minutes already on a live stream. Fuck the hell with this shit. Just up Konbanha strawberry so this got posted to this next stream. Anyway, somebody's watching, I'm not sure. Green to the mice folk. How many beers in that can, goddammit? I'm not done yet. Hell no. Just a 333 milliliter. Already get drunk, right? Dipsy or something. Brüderlein, Brüderlein, Sicherlein sein. Oh Gottes Willen. Ja, ich hab nichts zu werfen, Alter. Wer liegt da jetzt hinterm Stuhl oder so ein Schmarrn? Mac on the Nitro the Bad. Ding dong. But hold on, the music is not in my ears. That's all? Ah, the equalizer on Spotify, goddammit. Fastfully, but, you know, not noisy. No. Goodbye, Junge? Was machst du denn hier? Jetzt hier wieder gestankt oder was? Ah, something I need to change on that vehicle, dude. Paint it black, something's cracked. It's just the blue tires, you know? But whatever. Another account, another car. The point is, I'm not done yet. Yeah. I'm always full with surprises. Maybe. What the hell was that? Try to help myself actually out of misery. You say maybe. Oh, son of a freak. Ah, sorry. Rain soup. But that's all the work. Jetzt Bund Nachbau. Das wird er wohl voll vergessen. Ah, what the hell is that? The burner. Nothing is fitting. I thought actually I just uploaded my decal. No, I didn't. Crack. Whoa, that looks weird. That has something. But the blue tires, too much. I'm just on it. Who the hell I am? But actually not my type, okay? That's too much. Not sure about that one. It's just these tires are not fitting right. Well, let's handle that one on me. Alright, and then we go in here. Like, it looks like a smoothie car or something that's cracked. Change that. Crack. Somebody's really pissed off. Okay, fitting a bit. It's just that too much blue stuff. Or is it just, hold on. The wings and all this stuff, right? Ta-da! Looks definitely better. La-li-lo-li-lo. Man, takes forever. Fucking silent. Yes. What's wrong with the earbuds, y'all? Let's go to pee. Sun here, sun there. Oh, holy crack. They're calling my craziness. Or a spider. Not there. I think that is actually the more than 30 time I just was going to vent into the wee. Oh, come on. So the spider actually very pissed off. Somebody's background that actually me and just saying, "There's a spider in your back!" What? Where's the spider? On your neck! On your neck! Yeah. Oh my god, it's a big one! I just give a fuck, dude. Uh-oh. I think I'm a little bit more poisoned. Forwardly actually with the head into the sink. Somebody flashed. Okay, forget about it. Watched too many movies, eh? I can't remember some kind of these movies. Shh, hush, seriously. Yeah, I'm standing in front of the oven and trying to cook eggs, and whoops, there it is, it's going to below me. Oh, wait, there was actually fish, right? And sometimes when I'm cooking fish and I'm just making sausage with this stuff, I'm not sure what it calls. In German, we calling it Spargel. That's all that sausage was. Well, the cream de la cream sauce. That smells a bit like grandmother always dealing done. This live stream waterboarding. So I didn't clean my hands, but I cleaned my face, right? There's nothing to clean anymore, sir. Gotcha. Yo, what you looking at, eh? You're looking great. Nice. Catch you Monday at work. La boombox. I upgraded actually the boombox a bit. Not so bad smelling here. Huh. The neighbors always want. Send me Monica in my home office. Not again. Seriously, weird. Your plug's always flushing off. God, be dripping off. Just up Konbanha drop is a little loose called these next beam skull. Taraimasu, by the way. Oh, that music. Sugoi. Warum geht es nicht mehr lauter? Ist da ein Begrenzer drin oder was los? Ohne Scheiß, das ist wirklich leise. Okay. Konbanha. Die Musik spielt lauter. Gott, wie ich diese Musik hasse, Alter, ohne Scheiß. Das regt mich so auf. Nice one. Little beginner problem, but everything's fun as. West side low car. Need a drip of beer, goddammit. Oh, so lonely. Don't waste your time with me, goddammit. Go somewhere else. Modal? Where's the modal? Ah, there's the modal, of course. Ah, I'm a sick guy. Tiki in there. Shoot up. Just keep it a while, goddammit. I'm an asshole today. Everything's fun ass. Oh, that t-shirt up here looking. Junge. Muss man mal ein bisschen ändern. Where was the music, dude? I was pissed off. This is like actually these girls singing then, and that mood is actually. This song is not fitting, it's more like fitting for the menu or something, but not actually for a drift preview or... What's that calling? Replay, right? So it's pissing me off. Sorry for that one. But sometimes the music is so great, it fits so much. No! What the hell? What took us so long? Motoka. Ganbaremasu. My hell away to the... Huh? Oh. Come on. Cheering. How about that? getting the little green in here. Got good point. Here we go. Track. You know, bro. At night time a year ago. Right. Something was stitching into my shoulder. Spider, maybe. What if this was the 6th year or 5th year that night? I don't know what he was. Okay, one time I was going to the green, right? I think, yeah, it was definitely cracking. 57765. 5775 should be nice. That's okay. And now the stupid music is coming up with that girl that talks. I hate that. It's not fitting to the game. The Cyberpunk 2077 music. That is fitting actually for the music in the ear. The soundtrack for the game. God damn it. Still thinking about it. So what's a hopeless dream is just being done. It's too much, how can I say, sparkling? Let's just see. Transmitting better. Yep. Modelo drip. Chat fast 2024. Boring. Let's just creep off. My inner is just saying this is wrong. Getting as well. Hey, on this brand. Okay. A lot of PC users. Time for smoke. I don't care. I'm using 3 tires. And I'm consistent.
No scare. I'm not fearing something, dude. I'm a construction worker, dude. I'm low life.
I'll be right back. I need to go to pee. I'm watching you all the times, eh? You don't. Just relax. Oh, well, there's a package actually, you know that. Oh, whatever. Madame, your mother or what? I'm just bored. Let's get out of here. My blood is cooking. Breeze in here. Oh, hello, beer. Na,強くやったわ。Seneca. Psych. Handbrake. I don't have. Must be PC or something. Must be a new update or something's cracked. Easy boy.
すごい。さて、バラがかったな。Close to level 23. PC, what? Gambaremasu. Senpai. Are you fucking kidding? Where's my handbrake? Whoops. Cheers up. What are you doing? This is wrong. If you just done all the times with this one, what's wrong? I need a new tequila, sir.
Oh, come on. No. It's the clipping point B, right? You can beat that. You have to be very fast, I think. I need new cigarettes and new tequila. Already ordered, sir. Okay, you can beat it. Nice one, beat right back. Give me some cigarettes and some tequila. Oh, no. Not than this one. Plastic has nothing to do down next to the bucket with the cans of beer. Tequila coming. The lost cigarette. Hello, squirrel. How you doing down? Welcome. Hello, Dreamcast. A little beep beep. Let's see what the Matches of Sunshine is actually doing, down. I can listen to it. Reviewer stuff. Thank you very much, Tony. Tick, 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 tick. What the hell is that? What the hell? Masscraft meter. Oops, 800. Sorry. That's why my light was just a little bit flickering. Dough. There we go. Enjoy. With a pleasure. Wipe. 19 of what? 3 minutes after something's crack. 5 minutes after. Commissioner? Well, wakey. I'm good, I'm fine. Well, it's just so boring. Nobody's watching, no comments. Thanks to Dope Diva. She was sending the comment. Thank you very much for her. I still got the fish eggs in my stomach. £1,300 I can't believe that. With just a half hour. And a half hour just making 10,000 points, dude. What kind of shit is that? Now, why they can actually grow up with these motherfucking shit servers? This is not fair. Or the special or something? Fucking humanity. Drinking for the Falk. And for my worker actually stun his love. Cheers up, dude. Na zdrowie. Well, what's wrong with this? What the hell is wrong in here? My car wrong or something? Hey, I couldn't control. It's not my controller. Let's testify first up the car. That was weird. The car normally is working very well. What in the mother tucking hell was that? That was too much. It's not even building done with a wheel or something. There was 1,000 times actually the details for the wheeling impossible. Hey, I'm using a controller. Respect, please. See what's going on. Maybe my vehicle is destroyed. Nope. Everything's fine as. Nope. Something is wrong with the vehicle. I can't drive my Mazda anymore. What is going on? Are you kidding me? I can't drive my vehicle anymore. Hey, come on, the RX-8 was perfect. Why is it right now so sensible? Are you fucking kidding me? Get hacked or something is cracked? Everything's fine as in here. Fine as in here. What's going on in here? Why I can't drive my vehicle anymore? Let's check the other cars out. Why is it undrivable right now? Drove that actually for 18 hours ago. What's going on? Did you change your vehicle something, Vivian? No, drifting? But something's wrong. Something is totally wrong. I can't drive it anymore. Try another one. What happened? What just happened? Can't drive my RX-8 anymore. It's just going actually 1,000 times in the details left and right. I didn't change something, goddammit. Maybe the new update or something's coming up. Assholes. Yeah, there's definitely something wrong. Okay. Wow, they changed something. Or something on my controller is just broken up. Give me the other controller. Something's wrong. Hey, come on, I was playing. May need to restart the game. Before it's going crazy. Something's wrong. Okay, that's a new controller. They just worked, right? Let's see, maybe my controller's right now broke up. My drift controller, by the way. Or maybe they changed something in here, or just I get hacked, and then the live stream is over. What the hell? That's not fair, you know. Yep, okay, it's not my controller. They just hacked myself. I got a cluster on PlayStation 4. Crazy crack. I need to restart actually the game. It's not my fault. It's not my fault. I can't move no car anymore. So they cheated me. They just hacked me right now. Okay. I'm gone. Huh. Particularly, you just saw what's going on, right? I was very good actually in something in here. And they just hacked me or something. Something's going on in here. Nothing changed in here, and nothing else. I can't drive actually some racings anymore. Cars are going 180 in seconds. I'm gone, bye bye. You cheated me. Okay, fuck off then.